Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Al, the owner and founder of TICKR Finance and TICKR Apparel, where the mission is to close the wealth gap in the United States through dope fashion and crypto assets, as well as provide unique educational opportunities for crypto through dope fashion. We're covering the bases, man, doing something that's not being done anywhere on YouTube, anywhere in the universe and the metaverse. We're combining dope fashion and crypto assets to bridge the wealth gap in the United States. Super excited about that. So y'all can go right now. Well, you can glance over there and come back to the video. Go to tickapparel.com. You see it right there at the bottom of your screen. And purchase one of 4 premium t-shirts that are available. There will be more to come on TICKR Apparel's website by the way of fashion. So I'm super excited about some things that I'm working on there. Be looking for that a little bit later in the year. We'll be keeping you guys abreast of all of that. So again, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in, showing love to TICKR Finance and TICKR Apparel. Means a lot. So going back to back with the shades on this episode as well. So we're gonna dive right into it. We're going crypto by the charts. I'm gonna try to start making this a weekly thing with crypto. So again, the unique thing about crypto is that it does not work like traditional finance. So looking at income statements and traditional financial metrics, metrics that you use to evaluate a publicly traded company or even a private company, EBITDA, and like I said, price to sales, PE ratios, all those things that are used in public markets today to assign a valuation to a company don't exist in this world. These crypto assets are projects, and nobody's really talking about profitability, at least not yet. It's more about the adoption rate and what problem is that particular project solving. All that being said, I made a video previously about where Bitcoin was and what I thought going forward. And what I told you guys, hold on, before we get into that, quick disclaimer. This is edutainment, education and entertainment. It is not financial advice. If you need financial advice, please consult a licensed financial advisor. Uh, and so you need to understand your risk and what you're getting involved in. I'm providing education and entertainment, but again, this is by no means a advice or suggestion to buy anything. I will speak in terms of what I'm considering doing, what I'm considering and what I'm doing, not what I'm telling you guys you should do. All right, let's go ahead and get to the charts, talk through them a little bit, and so we can see what we got going on. So you guys see here, or at least you should see here. I'll go down to the bottom of the screen, maybe make it bigger so you guys can see it a little bit better. In any event, I told you guys that Bitcoin specifically, I couldn't get back completely bullish on it until it was above 48,500. The reason for that, if you're looking at the chart, the purple line is the 50-day moving average, and then the next blue line is the 100-day moving average. This is a 5-year chart. The reason I zoom out for 5 years is that from my technical analysis perspective, and I try to be very simple about this stuff. You guys see, even on my chart, I don't have any candlesticks or anything like that. But again, it's proven to be solid for me. So when I look at this, it's straightforward. That purple line, you see when we had that dip in crypto in May of 2021, it hit the purple line and bounced. And ever since then, when we've gotten pullbacks toward the purple line, it bounced, except for this last time, and it crashed through the purple line. So right now it's at 39,000 and some change, almost 40,000. And I told you guys that support right now is 31,000. So Bitcoin could fall as far as 31,000 before having any significant bounce back. Again, that's my 2 cents. Below 31,000, 31,300 to be exact. A little bit more than that, but we'll just make it a round number. 31,300. Below that, when you get a clear breakthrough, that number then we're dropping down to 19,000. If it drops through 19,000, then you're in no man's land. It continues to crash. But right now, 31,000 is the support. 31,300 is support, and 48,300 is resistance. Meaning, at that level, you're gonna have sellers. So if we have more buyers than sellers, it'll continue to go up. There's more sellers than buyers, it'll continue to go down. The Russia-Ukraine situation is a huge elephant in the room. There were talks the other night about Russia taking over some Ukraine nuclear power plant. So that's a huge deal. I think the charts are still telling you we'll know more at 31,000. I just don't know that we're trending in the right direction. And one thing about charts, the trend is your friend. You don't have to try to guess this stuff. When we get to 31,000, it'll be somewhat of a binding event. But if we crash through 31,000, then all bets are off. We're going to 19,000. I know it sounds wild, but crypto has crashed like this before, so it's not completely foreign for something like this to, crash and take place. I'm not saying it's gonna crash. I'm just saying that, again, according to the charts, we're in a downtrend, and you can't really get back bullish or positive until we get back above 48,000. You may be able to trade it between now and then, but you got to be quick and nimble to get in and out of crypto. If you got a 9 to 5 and you can't just really look at it like that, then you want to be careful. But again, this is what the chart's saying. I'll go ahead and put up ETH as well. I think on the last chart I looked at, ETH didn't look as hot. Initially, ETH was holding on technically pretty good, but then it fell off. Okay, so ETH has got the same thing going on. As you guys can see, ETH has crashed through the 50-day moving average and is now headed down toward the 200-day moving average. I'm sorry, the 100-day. So the purple line is the 50-day, the blue line is the 100-day, and the red line is the 200-day. And this is over a 5-year period. For me to get back bullish on Ethereum in the short term, it has to have a clear break above 3,100, meaning Ethereum needs to get to about $3,400, $3,500 in order for me to start feeling good about it again. Right now, we had a pretty much a crash, and we had somewhat of a bounce back, and then it crashed again November 30th. So, again, I don't like being a bearer of bad news, but I had to keep it real, which I think is important for y'all to know this information. And some people who are putting fresh money to work in crypto for the first time, you could potentially get your feelings hurt because crypto is extremely volatile, and there's a real possibility that it continues to go down. In fact, I told you guys, I think we're in a bear market currently. Stock prices and crypto prices have been, chopped and sliced significantly, but not as near as much as they could have been if we go into some sort of war, military action against Russia, which isn't completely off the table at this point. So these are all things to consider. What's another big coin out there that I think? Is XRP on here? It is. XRP has a huge following. Same thing with XRP, guys. You see, I'm just showing you what the chart says. XRP is showing that it needs to break back above 94 cents. A clear break above 94 cents, then XRP is going to be solid. But not a second before. Again, you see it right there. You see the purple line. XRP bounces off the purple line, which is the 50-day moving average. And then later on in the year, it crashes through the purple line. And then it hits the red line, which is 300-day, and it bounces from there. So that was a good sign, but it didn't complete the bounce. So it appears to have continued to fall back down due to the Russian news. So I know there's a pending court case. A lot of people are discussing and banking on XRP beating that, but you just got to be careful with this stuff. But just wanted to show y'all a couple examples of what's going on. Again, I have this weekly so we can talk about it and go through it. But man, I think you got to keep your eyes open, right? You gotta really pay attention to the charts. And I like simple technical analysis. I think I'm a simple guy, and the more simple things are, the easier it is to make a decision and follow through. Be nimble, be efficient, be agile, be quick, make your decision, make your trade, kind of move forward. Right now, all charts are leading to saying that crypto is definitely still in a bear market, and probably has more room to fall, unfortunately, before it just takes back off. So I'm playing the long game. You guys should play the long game as well. When you look at Bitcoin over 10 years, you can't beat it with a stick. And all you had to do was just buy and hold it. That was it. Most people listening probably had $1,000 10 years ago. Wouldn't it be nice to have, $10+ million now based on a $1,000 investment? So in any event, man, if y'all found some value in this note, please go ahead, smash that like and subscribe button. I need you to obliterate that for the YouTube algorithm so we can get this out here to more people, more great people such as yourself. Costs you absolutely nothing to do that and support the channel. So I do ask again that you like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the love and support. And that'll do it, man. That'll do it for this episode. And if you guys have any kind of questions or concerns around any charts that I've shown, any videos that we've done until this point, please feel free to hit me up. But until the next video, peace and blessings. I'm out. Y'all take